Hello everyone. In today's evening session, I hope you had a wonderful day and you have walked around. You were as mindful as you can be. I would like to start with you laying down on your mat. You will be lying down on your mat, on your back, with your shoulders dropped on the floor, palms facing up slightly away from the body. With your legs straight and toes to the side, slightly apart, rested completely on the floor. As you're laying down with your head rested, relax your whole body. Take a deep belly breathing. Breathing out through your mouth and relaxing, coming into the present moment to inwards. Inhaling, exhaling, and relax, feeling some peace and joy and relaxed. Lying down as comfortably as possible and begin to relax from your head to toe. Let's do it one by one, like you are scanning your body from your head to toe, beginning to bring your attention to your whole head with your eyes comfortably relaxed and closed, with your forehead relaxed, facial muscle relaxed, your neck and shoulder relaxed, along with your jaw. Inhale and exhale, relaxing your whole arms, upper arm, biceps and triceps, elbow, forearm, wrist till the palm, and to your fingertips. Relaxing your whole arm, then coming to your chest area, relaxing, and neck to the abdominal area, relaxing to the back of your neck, relaxing your shoulder blades, your middle back, your lower back, relaxing as much as possible. And then you will bring your attention to your hips and your glute, resting comfortably, and then bringing your attention to your thighs, your quadriceps in the front, hamstrings at the back, and to your knees, your calves, your shin, till your ankles relax. Then to your foot, till the tip of your toe tips, relaxing your whole lower body along with your whole upper body, feeling the sinking or grounding into this nature, into this Mother Earth, into this land, feeling connected. Inhaling and exhaling. Before we begin with the sound healing, we're going to do some breathing exercises. So we're going to begin by doing abdominal breathing, connecting that abdominal breathing with the yogic breath. Yogic breath is a combination of 3 different stages. It's not so hard, very easy. If you like, you can keep your right hand on your stomach, left hand on your chest while you're lying down. So as you begin to inhale, you begin to expand your stomach, expand your chest, and lift the sternum, the upper chest, slightly up. So when you're lying down, it will be more like rise of your belly. Halfway through, rise of your chest as well as expanding outward. And then lifting again of your upper chest slightly without lifting the shoulders or straining them. But as you begin to exhale, you start from the last. You lower down your sternum, contraction of your chest and your belly. Again, inhale, expanding and rise of your stomach. Halfway through, expanding your rib cage or the chest and rise. And at the end of your inhalation, expanding or lifting of your sternum slightly up. As you begin to exhale, lower down your sternum, lower down your chest area, lower down your belly area. Let's try doing it with your own rhythm, with your own pace. Inhaling, expanding your stomach, chest, and lifting your sternum. As you exhale, lower down your sternum, contraction of your chest and your belly. Inhale, expanding your belly, chest, and lifting your sternum. Exhale, lower down your sternum, contraction of your chest and your belly. Keep that going. Inhale, expansion of your belly, chest, sternum. Exhale, lower down your sternum, chest, and your belly. Inhale, expanding your belly, chest, lift sternum. Exhale, sternum lower down, contraction of your chest and your belly. Inhale, rise of your belly, chest, sternum. Exhale, sternum, chest, belly. Inhale, belly, chest, sternum. Exhale, sternum, chest, belly. Inhaling, belly, chest, sternum. Exhaling, sternum, chest, belly. Inhaling, belly, chest, sternum. Exhaling, sternum, chest, and belly. Now continue on your own. If I guide you throughout, breath may be too long and I'm too fast. Maybe your breath is too short and I'm too long. So instead of struggling to catch up, always connect to the rhythm of your own breath. Completing each inhalation, completing each exhalation, and continue to expand and contract. Expand and contract. Inhale or rise, exhale, falling them back. Stay connected and stay with the rise of everything as you inhale. Stay with the fall of everything. Staying connected to each stages from moment to moment. From moment to moment, staying with it. From moment to moment, stay with your breath. Stay with your breath, connected and aware of your each inhalation, every rise, with each exhalation, fall. Taking in all the energies and the air, pure air from the surrounding area. Taking out and exhaling completely out. Be mindful and present with your each inhalation, with each exhalation. Be mindful of your each inhalation, with your each exhalation. Staying connected to the here and now in this practice, without straining any part of your body, relaxed totally. Without exerting any part of your body, even your breath, smoothly and rhythmically with your own breath length, connected, and stay with it. Now slowly and mindfully, you will connect it back to the belly breathing. Inhale and exhale. Maybe your right arm stays on your belly, the left can go back on the floor, or maybe both of them on the floor. If they're already there, that's okay. Now bringing your attention to your belly, observing the gentle rise and the fall of your belly. Now this practice, if you feel, you may sit and do this practice without laying down. But if you feel like you need to lay down, listen to your body, continue to lay down, and we are going to do this meditation, paying attention to the stomach, observing the rise and the fall of your stomach, or the expansion or the contraction of your stomach if you are sitting. So with each inhalation, as you begin to expand your stomach, you are aware that you are expanding your stomach. With each exhalation, as you are contracting your stomach, you are aware that you are contracting your stomach. So in each moment, you are present and aware of each inhalation, each exhalation into the present moment. You will be not wandering anywhere but into the present moment, consciously aware of the expansion as you inhale, contraction of your belly as you exhale into this present moment. You will not wander about what happened a year ago to what might happen a year later, or a month ago or a month later, or a week ago or a week later, or a day yesterday or tomorrow, not even an hour before, an hour after, not even a minute before or a minute after, but you will be here and now in this very present nanosecond. In every present nanosecond, you are here, nowhere else. And you have nothing to do, nowhere to run, nothing to catch up, but to the present moment. Yes. And let's stay here, connected. Connected to your breath with the expansion and the contraction of your belly. Knowing and a reminder that in the practice of meditation, in the practice of mindfulness, there is no room or space for judgments to our own mind and our own body or the surrounding cross. No need to grasp on any experience, any sensation. No need to resist and reject or feel aversion on any experience, anything surrounding us to within us. Rather observing everything as they are and letting them be. When a thought comes, let it come, let it go. No need to control or push it away. But your awareness is clear and intact into the present moment with your practice. And in this practice, your attention is on your belly, observing the rise and the fall of your belly. Observing the rise and the fall of your belly, slowly and mindfully, with a relaxed body, and present in here and now. If your mind had wandered, be kind enough to come back into the present. Continue to pay attention into the present moment with your practice. Relaxed body into the present moment. And now you may choose to lay down or continue to sit. And we will go through the journey of healing our body, mind and soul with these Tibetan singing bowls, where you will immerse yourself with the sound, the frequencies of the bowls, and perhaps certain kind of vibration if it could reach to you, to your soul. Listening to the sound of these bowls and immersing yourself, relaxed full body, breathing naturally and normally, and just find the most comfortable position for yourself. And allow the sound to travel through the top of your head, running down to the tip of your toes, and aligning your chakras, finding some relaxing state, going into a stage where you may not be completely awake nor asleep, but somewhere in between if you can. And to get to that stage, the most important thing is to be present in every sound from beginning to end. And stay alert, stay aware, with kindness to your body, your mind, and to your soul. slowly, taking your own time to bring your awareness to the surrounding sound of whatever there may be, without any judgment. Simply be aware of the sound of the surrounding space, and then bringing your awareness to your fingers and your toes, arms and your legs, and moving them slowly, slowly, waking your body one by one with awareness, however they may be feeling. Arms and your legs, whenever you feel ready, you can stretch your body with bringing your arms overhead, toes pointing away from the shin. Lengthen your whole body. And slowly bringing your arms down, bending your knees, pulling your knees towards your chest, and hug your knees. If you are sitting, just stay where you are, relaxed, moving your body, becoming more and more comfortable. As you are lying down, you may turn side to side, massaging your back, taking your own time to roll over towards your left. Sleep there for taking few breaths. Slowly and mindfully pushing the floor with your right palm and making your way up to sitting position. Sitting in a comfortable position, relaxed body, maybe with a gentle smile. Planting the seed of mindfulness. Watering it, nourishing it, moment by moment, bringing your attention to the present moment, wherever you are, whenever you can. Reminding ourselves to stay connected into each moment, to the present moment. May all the sentient beings possess happiness and the causes of happiness. May all the sentient beings be free from suffering and the causes of suffering. I hope that you will continue to relax and take this state of your mind and your body throughout the day or throughout the rest of the day.